Ladies, let's get into this perfected wash and go. Hey guys, it's the girl Lovely V. I'm back with another tutorial. Y'all, people keep asking me, girl, how did you get this poppin' wash and go? How do you get it to look like this? Y'all, my hair is soft and it's flowy, as you can see. And most importantly, the curls is popping. Hey, so stay tuned for a tutorial. Okay, hey guys. So we're starting off, my hair is kind of dirty. Maybe like 4 or 5 days since I've washed it. And this is just an old twist out. I want that sleek curl look of a wash and go. So y'all, normally I do not do wash and goes on squeaky clean hair after I've just washed it. Sometimes I do, but honestly I love to do wash and goes on dry hair. I just feel like it comes out better, and this same technique will work just fine on freshly washed hair, but I just happen to do this a lot of times when my hair starts looking raggedy from a twist out and I want to change the style up. So the product, y'all, that gives you the most beautiful curls, trust me, it is Xtreme Professional Styling Gel, the blue kind. This right here, and this is what really gets the curls popping. All right, so my hair is a little dry, a little bit of water in here and a little bit of moisture, coconut and hibiscus curl and style milk. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of water, like barely any. I'm gonna section off my hair. First I'm just gonna, like a little spritz, styling milk, just a pinch. And also I do think putting some of the styling milk in the hair or some kind of leave-in or something underneath the gel helps it be less crunchy. Putting the gel on it, it's kind of like a barrier for the gel, so it's not crazy crunchy. Now we're gonna get this fabulous blue gel and we're just gonna start from the back. Y'all, you have to be heavy-handed. Don't feel like, oh, I can't put a lot because it's gonna be, you know, too crunchy and disgusting. No. We'll worry about that later, okay? We need to put a lot on here because we need it to hold the curl and we need it to basically lock in what the curl looks like, okay? So I don't know if we're seeing this, but I'm putting a lot up in here. See how much I'm putting in. And I'm making sure to get down to the roots, all of it, voila. And it should look something like this. Don't be scared, don't be scared. It's like my type of hair, I have 4A, 4B mixture type of hair. And for my type of hair, I need a lot of gel or holding product to make it, you know, hold the curl that I have. Voila, y'all see this? Bam! This is how much gel I'm starting with, and y'all, like I said, you gotta be heavy-handed. It depends on the kind of hair you have, but if you have 4A, 4B hair like I do, you're gonna need a lot, and that's just what it is. I'm gonna show you how to uncrunch it after it dries, because a lot of times I blow dry it, stretch it out, I put some oil in it, and that really helps decrease the crunch. Now it's gel, so you will have some form of crunch, some hold of some sort, because that's what it's made for. So again, I'm not being scared about the amount of gel up in this hair, okay? And make sure you hit them roots. Make sure you hit them roots, y'all. Nothing's worse than having defined hair and then your roots are super puffy. Combing through it with my fingers. And you know, some people like to use brushes. I personally feel like that's unnecessary. If your hair has any curl to it, this gel will bring that out already without the help of a tool, in my opinion. But obviously, if that's something important to you or you prefer to use a tool, feel free. I don't know what kind of sorcery they put up in this thing. It really defines my hair, as you can see. I do what's called shingling. So again, I'm putting, you know, a good amount of gel, making sure I'm hitting those roots really well. And then shingling is just using your fingers, what I like to do, and basically combing through. Making much done with the back, and then I'll do the front. As y'all can see, this is super simple, super easy. Here are the curls. And so let's take this down. I'm going to probably split it, and this isn't gonna be perfect. And I'm just gonna eyeball it. And going to tie this section up, So now I have this other section I'm gonna do. Same thing, lightly spray it. Not much, just a little bit for a little added moisture. This much gel, gonna rub it through. Making sure I'm not only distributing it evenly throughout my hair, but also detangling it. Remember to get those roots, and remember, don't be shy with the amount of gel you're using, hopefully. Okay, we see it. Okay, y'all, I'm speeding this up, and I'm just shingling this throughout my hair. This is the back's all done. Now all I have to do is the top portion. I'm almost done. I'm gonna do half up, half down. Okay. Just a little bit of that. Put in there more gel. Put it on the edges. Got my brush. Just gonna, like I have my tie, and I'm just gonna put it in a nice tight ponytail. One more and we're done. Okay, perfect. So now all I have to do is, of course, put gel on this part of my hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna speed this up. I'm doing the same thing I did on the other sections, just shingling it through quickly. This is the final result of it. My hair wet with the gel. As you can see, this is the hair right now. It looks good. Sometimes I put a little bit of oil. I have this spray oil, and so I just spray it, not a lot. I put a little now, and then I put a little later. So next thing, the last little thing, we are gonna do the edges. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna briefly do my edges. Yeah. So this is the hair wet, and I'll be back to show you how I dry my hair. Okay, guys, my hair is almost basically dry. You can see it. So I'm just gonna kind of show you what I do to really stretch it out and to make sure it's not crunchy or anything. And even honestly right now, it's not crunchy. I'm getting a little oil, spraying a little more. I told y'all I put a little before it dried, and then just spraying a bit more. So I did start, you know, air drying my hair. It's been mostly air dried, and then I started using the blow dryer with the concentrator attachment to stretch it out. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. I'm putting it on the heat setting on high, and then I'm putting the speed on high as well. And as you can see, stretching it out not only dries it, but it helps elongate it. So this is the elongated, this is the short one. And doing that also helps get rid of any crunch. But honestly, this combination of the gel, the oil, and any product that I had in my hair prior to the gel really makes it not stiff and crunchy. Okay, guys, so I'm just continuing to stretch out my hair here. It's stretched out here, as we can see. And I'm just gonna do that all over my head. Be patient, y'all. This may take a while. What I'm doing, I'm starting from the root, holding it taut, and working my way down, making sure I'm stretching my hair out. I'm not just going all over my head with it. That'll create frizz and mess up your curls. Okay, y'all, hey, I'm back. Bam. Look at this, yes. Let's get it up close. Got some hang time. Yes, do y'all see how cute this is? Came out really good. This hair is not hard, it is soft. It's soft, it's beautiful. On my edges, I did put gel, but I also put this edge control, and y'all, this is the best edge control I have ever used. It's called Instant Control Edge and Braid Gel. It is amazing. This is amazing, so get into it. If I didn't stretch it out so much, it would probably be shorter, like to here. But like I said, I do like hang time, and all I do at night is put a bonnet on, and as you saw me stretch out my hair, that's exactly what I do in the morning because it shrinks up. I just pull and with the concentrator and pull down, and that's it. And y'all, it's bomb. I will be honest, I'm having some flaking, so I don't know. Normally I don't, so I don't know if it's because I put more gel than normal or the products that I used, but I'm having a bit of a flaking, a little bit, nothing serious, but I did notice pulling my hair, I had some flaking. No, it's not that serious because you'd be able to see it on my shirt, but it's not bad. Flowy, and it's not even hard. Washing soft, spongy. I don't know if it's the gel. I'm assuming it's the gel. So y'all let me know what you think. Y'all try it out for yourselves. See if it works for your hair. If you need to modify things, please do. But comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see or other tutorials, but this is it, my perfected wash and go. Until next time, lovelies, bye.